Intermex Banking Service Honest Review Watch before using. Most people assume sending money abroad is simple and cheap, but Intermex has positioned itself as a reliable option for international remittances. Intermex is a global money transfer service that allows users to send funds from the U.S. to multiple countries quickly. One standout feature is that speed recipients in many countries can receive money within minutes, either directly into a bank account for cash pickup or mobile wallets. Most people get this wrong. They think all transfer services are equally secure and cost-effective. The surprising truth is that Intermex focuses on compliance and transparency. Transactions are regulated, and the platform provides clear fees upfront. Unlike some services, Intermex also supports recurring transfers, making it convenient for those sending money monthly. Another advantage is accessibility. Intermex has thousands of agent locations across the U.S. plus partnerships in target countries, making it easy for recipients to collect funds without a bank account. The service also supports multiple languages, simplifying the process for diverse communities. However, there are considerations. Exchange rates may not always be the most competitive, and fees vary depending on the destination and transfer method. Additionally, while the mobile app is functional, some users find the interface less intuitive than other fintech alternatives. In conclusion, Intermex is a solid choice for fast, reliable international money transfers. It works best for regular remittances and users who value compliance and convenience. For best results, compare fees and exchange rates before sending larger amounts. Subscribe for more honest banking and financial service reviews before you send money abroad.